Hello, everyone. I'm Shreyas Gosari, and my teammate is Shiva Mishra. And today I will be presenting my IoT-based intrusion detection system project. So this project is fully built using computer vision, Python, and AWS cloud services, and it entirely works just on webcam. There is no any other sensor. I'm using Arduino and any LED light to detect the motion detection. So the goal of the system is to provide a smart and affordable security solution that it can detect a motion in a real time, capturing evidences, immediately notifies the user. So let me start with the problem. Uh, so this project solves most of the CCTV systems record the footage and continuously, which wastes the storage and often gives you very little real time value. You can only know something has happened when you come back and review the footage. And I want something which is more reliable and more efficient system that is intelligent enough to detect only important events, specifically motions, any which captures the key moments and uploads them securely to the cloud and alerts the user instantly. So the response is much faster. So the entire project's run on a single camera right now, where the webcam constantly detects monitors the environment, and through Python and OpenCV, I've created a machine learning program that creates that the system takes frames from the webcam and it compares with the previous frames, which the differences between the two frames crosses certain threshold. The system identifies that as a motion. So this technique is called as a frame differencing, and it's extremely efficient, works in a real time, and does not require any additional hardware or sensor. Once the motion is detected, the system immediately takes an action. It captures a frame where the motion was detected. So drawing a bounding around the moving object and saves the image locally for the reference. At the same time, the system triggers the cloud pipeline. It uploads the captured image to an AWS S3 bucket using a secure encryption. AWS then processes this event using a Lambda function, logs into the DynamoDB, and sends the user an email alert through AWS SNS. The email contains a secure, time-limited, precise URL that allows the user to view and capture the images from anywhere. This pre-signed link is also expires automatically when ensures a privacy and prevent public access. So let me give you a quick overview of the structure so you can understand how everything works together and fits together. So in the Python, I will just share my screen and I will show you my Python folder right now. So as you can see, there are multiple files which I have created. One is for AWS folder, which contains AWS Lambda system, setup AWS environment, Python with certificates, data, models, motion detection, real-time interference, and temporary motions, training models, also a sensor emulator for Arduino. So what does this thing do? I will just let you know. So I have a main script called Python motion detection file. This contains a full logic of webcam access detection. I can show it to you right now. So this is the file, and it contains an AWS IoT configuration, certificate path, AWS S3 configurations. I have given a threshold value of 2000 minimum contour area. It's 500. Detection delay is 400, 20 seconds, and there should be a cool down period because if there's not a cool down period, it will continuously send you the emails of the capturing images. So it will be a spamming on your mail. So I don't want that. So I just created a 10 seconds delay. Uh, Also, I have given an Arduino and like enable daylight and all this thing. So to detect if the motion is detected, just turn on the light. Uh, right now, I'm just using LED, but we can use PIR sensor also. So this folder is contains with the AWS certificates, training data, and machine learning models. The S3 folder contains the Lambda functions and setup script. automatically configures S3 and IoT Core, DynamoDB, and SNS. All these components work together in a background, and whenever motion is detected, it tells you. So the machine learning is a part of a program where it's able to detect only the persons or any movable objects going through a camera. It captures the images. So it provides you a theft detection. If I can train it more in advance, if there is any person who tries to steal in your store or tries to steal in your house, it will detect the motion and it will capture the image of the person, and it will send it directly to you. And also you can share this to the cops, and also they can identify easily. I will now explain this motion detection logic in a simple way. So the webcam captures the frame continuously. Each frame is converted to a grayscale, and then it's smoothened to reduce noise. So then the difference between the current frame and the previous frame is calculated. If the number of changed pixels exceeds through the threshold value I have set, the system treats that as a valid motion. This approach is lightweighted but extremely effective for indoor environments, and it works in real time with a low latency. Now, let me show you a demonstration of how the system runs. I will open up my terminal and I will just run the command. Yeah, so it's running right now. Yeah. So the features you can see there is a green box, automatically image uploads, email notifications, cooldown period, AWS IoT integration, motion detection. So it is connected to AWS IoT Care now. S3 client is initialized and SNS is initialized. So now you can see there is a motion will be detected as soon as I move because I am in front of the camera, and it will send me the email. Yeah. See, I have received the email and I will show it to you. How does it look like? So as you can see, this is the email I'm getting right now, where it shows like motion is detected. Yeah. So that's how it works. It sends me email and it stores in the S3 bucket. I'll stop running this command. So within a few seconds, I received an email from SNS, and like it says the motion was detected. It includes a pre-signed URL. When I click this link, it shows me exact image that triggered the alert. And link while automatically expires in the set of numbers of days, which keeps the captured data securely. So I have used Arduino also, where I will just show it to you. So yeah, so this is an Arduino and this is a board. So what it happens when something is detected, it will turn on the LED light and it will send me the mail. That's how it works. So if I use a PI sensor, if I even I the PI sensor, what will it does, if any object, if anything goes in front of that, it will detect. But I don't want that. I want only a person. If it goes, it should detect that thing. So that's why I use majorly on camera, not on PI sensor. So security is one of the most strongest part of this project. All the communications with the AWS is encrypted using TLS. Access is authenticated through an X.509 certificate. The image in the S3 bucket is also encrypted. It's never public. They are already stored in the privately and only viewed through a temporary secure URLs. IAM rules restricts the access so that each component only has the permission it needs. To conclude with my intrusion detection system, it's completely camera based, secured, cloud powered, and easy to deploy. It detects the motion in a real time using the computer vision, you capture the evidence and upload it to AWS and alerts the user instantly. And all of this works with nothing more than the standard webcam. In future, if I want to work with this thing and develop more of this thing, I will use multiple cameras and better microcontroller. I would definitely use something much more efficient, but it will be costing a lot. Uh, because if I'm using Raspberry Pi, it will definitely work on a single camera and machine learning models, everything, data models and training data. So it will be too much storage for that, and it will connect definitely with the AWS software, and it will be easy and seamless. But I will definitely go for NVIDIA microcontrollers. That's better for multi cameras, and it has a high definition cameras. So it will give you a very clean images. And in the future, if I make this program more advanced, so you can use it in the stores, you can use it in the offices or any of your house. If any someone tries to get into your house store or try to steal something, it will detect the camera. Camera will detect these things, and it will let you know that something is happening in your house or in the store. And you will get the image, and you can share it to the cops. They can detect you. You can provide the link. You can also provide voice, like where is the store, where is the house. You can just share it them. So thank you so much for watching my demonstration. I'm very happy for any answers, answer your any questions. Thank you so much.